Okay, everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video giving you just some tips and tricks as you're going through and doing things with your landing page. First of all, when you edit your landing page, just keep in mind that you've got 3 different views, okay? And so this is how your customer is actually going to see things, right? In the smartphone view, but sometimes it's actually easier to work on things when we're actually in the larger view. So keep that in mind as you're going through, that's going to make the most sense for you. Also, when you get back here in this area, there's two places that matter. Here where you're going to upload new files, and then when you actually select an image right here where you can resize and rotate. Resize it, crop it, rotate it, whatever it is that you want to do. Those are the 2 places that are back here that you want to pay attention to. Always remember that you want to, when you've made your changes, you want to come in here and save and publish. Going ahead and clicking here will do just that. It'll save and publish for you. Remember when doing your messaging that you need to come in here to the SEO. And this is where you're going to have one of your messages, okay? So this is the message going out on the physical web, and then you can go ahead and put a description in here and click Save. And then in addition to that, in your nearby notifications, this is where you're also going to come to program your device and have your message in there. So 2 messages are going to show up on some people's phones, and that's how you're going to do that. Let's see. So those are just a couple of quick things. Also, I wanted to point out that when you are in here and you're working on your landing page, and you've got this section that says View, by clicking on QR, this is going to give you your QR code, and you can scan on this to see the real live updates of whatever it is that you just did to your landing page. And you can actually see it on your phone. Seeing it on your phone makes you know that all of your images are the right size, something isn't too big, because if you go into your landing page and you find that your page is wobbling from left to right, more than likely it's because the logo image that you just put in was too big. So you need to go back in and you need to make that smaller. Or maybe your text is too big and some of your words are too big, and by reducing the size of that, it will reduce that impact, and then you'll have it where your landing page just goes up and down. So this QR code is something that you want to include in your advertising, in your promotions, because anyone that goes there is going to be coming to this offer that you have right here. Also, what you want to do is you want to click this button that's online, because this is going to take you to the online version of your landing page. And in doing so, you can come here and you can click on this button and you can verify and clarify that it's actually working the way that it's supposed to work, or whatever it is that you've got connected there. So keep that in mind. It's a great way to test things when you have got your, like people are going to fill in the email information or what have you. That's a great thing to do. And that's pretty much it. So those are just some quick tips and tricks. When you're back here, it's a very, very simple system. Go ahead, mess with your landing page, play around, test it, test it, test it.